In this video, we'll take a look at financial planning in projects and portfolios. Linked timecodes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. Financial planning is understanding the work and benefits of a project and then agreeing on a budget with stakeholders and your organization's finance group. The ServiceNow Demand Management, Project Management, and Portfolio Management applications support financial planning. You can allocate, track, and report on costs for individual projects and entire portfolios. There are several key metrics to support financial planning, including return on investment, net present value, and internal rate of return. Two areas in demand management and project management that contribute to financial planning are cost plans and benefit plans. Cost plans are anticipated expenses for the project or demand and are used for planning, budgeting, and tracking of cost. Cost plans can be either capital expense or operational expense and can be defined to meet your organization's cost management definitions. And you can associate actual costs with your cost plans to measure planning accuracy. Benefit plans are the anticipated return on investment for the project or demand. You can track actual benefits and measure benefit realization. Benefit plans can be linked to project milestones, thereby triggering activity to start collecting benefit realization. Now let's take a look at the financial information for our project Upgrade App Z. Financials are rolled up from the entries in the tabs below. For instance, notice how the anticipated costs match the planned cost line. And the benefit plans listed at the bottom match the planned benefit line in Financials. You can view these entries in the status report. Here we see the planned cost versus actual cost. To add an anticipated cost, we'll simply click New and fill out the form. We can select a cost type for capital expense or operational expense. We'll select operational expense for hardware or hardware OpEx. And finally, we'll submit the form. As you can see, the totals still match after adding the hardware cost. You can also assign a discount rate to drive your NPV calculations. The focus of the Financials tab is the planned ROI, which is automatically generated from the planned cost and planned benefit. In contrast to planned costs, actual costs are used to help determine if a project is on track to come in under budget, at budget, or over budget. This is done through forecasting. A good definition of forecasting is prior period actuals plus future-looking estimated costs. All actuals are captured as expenses, either labor or non-labor. Labor costs are derived from time cards, while non-labor costs are manually entered. Both labor and non-labor costs can also be imported from third-party systems. In addition to making financial decisions for an individual project, you can use the Portfolio Workbench to make decisions for an entire portfolio. Watch the Portfolio Management video for more information. Now let's see what financial planning looks like from a finance manager's perspective. In the Financial Planning Workbench, we navigate to the IT Applications Modernization portfolio. Finance managers can approve a portfolio budget. They can also ask questions before approval, and they'll be routed to the Portfolio Manager, an efficient workflow between finance and portfolio. You can filter your view by dragging and dropping tabs onto the filter line. Remove a filter by clicking the X. After you generate actuals, the expense we added for a resource in the time tracking video will be reflected here. Data is key in financial planning. There are several applications in the IT Business Management suite that work together to gather and track data trends so that you can approve and forecast budgets for projects and portfolios. Specifically, financial planning applications support planning, tracking, and reporting of costs for individual projects and entire portfolios. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.